Welcome to the personal property tour for 44A High Street in Auchtermuchty. This is a fantastic two-bedroomed upper apartment with an attic room that's currently being utilised as a bedroom and also a different attic space potential for a home office. Recently refurbished, finished to a fantastic standard, really love the kitchen, exquisite bathroom, and wait to see the tiling on the floor. It's just beautiful. And then there's the views. This one also has off-street parking and a courtyard garden. So lots on offer here. I'm just going to flip the camera and take you on the tour. So this one, as you'll see, you come into the communal entrance. Fabulous windows, lovely and bright. Look at the stairwell. I love that wrought iron work. So just step down and let you have a look at this. It's a great entranceway. Oh, that wrought iron is just beautiful. Lots of nice detail. Right, and I'll take you on the tour. So you can tell straight away the finish here. Got this beautiful composite door. So we'll go straight into the hallway. And I love the flooring in here. So as you can see, you've got this beautiful tiled flooring. Love the colour. Plenty of space for your coats and boots if you've been on your countryside walks with the kids or the dogs. And then you come into the apartment to the upper hallway. And as you can see, lots of natural light in here already. Finished really nicely inside. I love all the woodwork. You'll see that as we go through. So love these doors. It's a lovely kind of deep blue grey colour. And then if I just pull back, you can see that this is the first of the doubles. So go into here. Look how bright it is. It's fabulous. So you've got the two windows here. So lots of natural light coming in. You can see that there's this ladder here. So that takes you up to a potential attic space, which could be a home office, but that can easily be taken away. So you've got a good sized double room here. And I'll just let you see from the other angle. A lovely space. It's so bright. Big natural windows in here. And you've got lovely views. So you can see across the countryside there as well. At least I hope you can. It's so bright. It's beautiful. This is a really quiet apartment. I can't hear anything in here. So then across the hallway we have another double bedroom, which currently is being utilised as a sitting room. And you'll see why in a second when you see these views. So it's a great space. Got a double wardrobe. Got these lovely doors again. Really nice. But the big window. So you've got sash and case windows. Really lovely size. I can't tell you how tall these windows are. It's difficult to portray that here. Wait to see the views. Absolutely beautiful. Such a lovely day today. So you literally have views across the countryside. So peaceful. I'll just let you see the room for another angle. So you can see they're using it as a sitting room, kind of home office and music room. Double wardrobes, and you've got shelving space here as well. It's a fabulous room. I'll take you back out into the hallway. So in the hallway, you'll see now then, off the bedrooms, you go down to the lower level. Again, you'll see the high finish in here with the flooring. What I love about the tiles in here as well, they've taken it right into the kitchen, but also into the shower room, so it flows really nicely through. So again, the shower room's got this beautiful door. You've got the double walk-in shower. I love the matte black as well. So you've got the rainfall shower head. You've got the thermostatic control. It's beautiful. So the flooring goes through. Got the subway tiles on the wall as well. Love that finish. Love the wallpaper. And then you've got the vanity hand basin as well. I love that colour. Really nice. But again, look how thick the walls are. So peaceful. Lovely and warm as well, actually, on a bright day like today. So back out into the hallway. You can see we take off into the kitchen. So into the kitchen space. Look at the colour as well. Love that green colour. Very country style kitchen. So you've got integrated appliances here. You have the fridge and then the freezer below. You have oven. You have the hob and the extractor above. There's a larder, plenty of cupboard space and room for your white goods. Again, I love the tiles. Beautiful tiles. Look how deep the window is. So lots of space in here. It's a really nice kitchen actually. Finished to a beautiful standard. Love that colour. Really nice. The girls are not impressed with me though. they're having a chilled morning after their countryside walks. So from the kitchen you walk into kind of the open plan area. So you've got a lounge dining area here. You can see your dining area over there. You've got storage as well. Again, I love that colour. And then you've got the lounge area. You've got the double sash and case windows in here too, so lovely and bright. You can see it goes round here, so I'll give you a flavour for the size of it from the other avenue. But look at the windows, look how wide they are. The walls are so thick. Sash and case windows again. You've got the gorgeous countryside views, which is just fabulous. And what the client has also done is replaced the shutters in here as well. So winter days, that's going to be great just to close those in and get you nice and cosy. So it's a beautiful space. Really lovely. I'll show you from the dining area. So again, just to get a feel for the size of the room. So again, you've got this double window. Again, you've got the beautiful countryside views from there. It's a really nice open plan space. Great for entertaining because you're right into the kitchen area as well. Fabulous for a family. And then I'll take you upstairs. So we'll go upstairs, and this is the attic room, currently being utilised as a bedroom. Great features up here as well. You'll see how bright it is when we go round. But look at the ceiling. So you've got those beautiful beams. You've got the two Velux windows. So it's lovely and bright. It's a great space. If I swap around here, you'll see just how big this room is. It's lovely. You've got a wardrobe in there as well. It's a fantastic space, really nicely done. I love all the decor. So, the bonus, as I said earlier, there is off-street parking and there's a courtyard garden, and I'll see you down there in a second. Hi there, so I'm down in the courtyard garden. So you have off-street parking here and you have a little courtyard area for seating as well, and the owner's done that really. So you come off the street, the apartment's just around the corner, and then you're off-street parking here, and then you've got your little courtyard garden area, which I just love. I think they've made it really nice place to sit and just relax. It's a bonus as well being in the countryside, isn't it? So this is a great space. And your parking's down there. So, 44A High Street in Auchtermuchty, 2-bedroom upper apartment with an attic room currently being utilised as a bedroom, with a separate attic area that potentially could be a home office, recently renovated, finished to an exquisite standard. It's just beautiful inside. So much in Auchtermuchty. You've got beautiful countryside walks, you have the primary school, there's a hairdresser's, there's a chemist, the Boar's Head pub is just down the road. You've got a huge co-op as well, so you really do have everything on your doorstep, but you've got countryside living as well. There is great commuter links as well. So again, you're on the A roads that take you into Cooper, Kirkcaldy, Glenrothes, and then you can get onto the bypass quite quickly from here as well, and that takes you across to Perth, to Edinburgh, Dundee. So great commuter links. You've got Ladybank train station close by, you've got Cooper train station about 10 minutes away, 20 minutes away. So lots on your doorstep, and lots of availability to reach out in the rest of Fife. This is a beautiful home. This one's on the market with ourselves. It offers over £160,000. If this is of interest to you, feel free to message me here directly. Likewise, you can contact the team on 01334 654 221. This is Perry at Fife Properties TV. Actually feeling that this is a pretty good one. Take care. Bye bye.